That cheese is cheesing, huh? What y'all think? This is the first one I mounted. Oh man, they got the chopper out. It must be something crazy. Usually this part, I mean, I be hitting traffic, but usually this part, I don't hit too much. So it must be an accident or something. I seen the rear view. Look at the skyline look pretty good. We're already on the north side. Still in fucking traffic. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I do complain a lot about the traffic, but cause this shit genuinely fucking blows, bro.
With the trailer he sold to me, he sold the money from
Oh yeah, the long fender one, the nice one. Yeah, with the murals and shit.
Yeah. Sana Babish.
Ooh, it do look good. Hell yeah.
Hey, dirty but shine so clean.
Right? Yeah.
Black ass hinges.
But they fresh. Look, they got a vet over here. Y'all know I like the vets. Doing a little touch-up work. Boy, big ass brakes. I like that hoe. Hell yeah. Check out this nice burnt orange Lincoln they got over here too. I like the color. I actually got some work to do today. Usually I ain't got much, but Slim actually dropped off his rims a few days ago. Ooh! All gold things. I'll show them to you right now. But I gotta assemble the rest of the machine, get everything assembled. Oh, get my cheetah assembled. And let me see if I remember how to do these fucking tires. All right, we got one on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the air in that hole. We'll see. I gotta assemble the cheetah and all that. But I was able to slap one of them tires on. Let's slap all four. The machine look like it's pretty smooth, actually. I like it. I like it. For being a China machine, I told you. I mean, hey, they literally replicated the good machine, so shit. All right, so I got 2 tires on. This is my 3rd rim. Ooh, that cheese is cheesing, huh? What y'all think? This is the first one I mounted. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. On that second one I mounted, looks like it got a little bent. I don't know if that came out the package like that or the machine did that. We're gonna get him right. But I did open this one. I ain't even clamped it yet, and it already looked like it got like dents on the lip. If y'all could see that. You see that? Boop. right there. I have one. It's one of yours. I just seen it.
The green one?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh.
Hey, that bitch is chingamé los ojos green, so you won't lose it.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to get it. There's 3 more laying around here somewhere. But they're yellow. Red.
The red one will blend in too much.
Yeah.
Big man. You got a lead hammer over here?
Yeah. Somewhere.
I don't need it right now. I'm just asking. I got one. I need to bring it, but. Huh?
I got one, but it's not great, but it'll work.
Nah, just I bet you
Yeah.
one little ding is gonna get that all right. But I'm gonna hit it till after I got the air on that bitch.
This is aftermath of every car that comes here. They don't have a lead hammer, which is kind of crazy to me.
Huh?
Every car that I've worked on never had a lead hammer.
They don't be having one.
In
You
the
have to have
car,
one in
man.
the car. People
Yeah,
don't understand that, fool.
Look at this. This is brand new, man.
Nah, it'll work.
That'll work, but I'm saying I fuck my own shit up. Usually, people ain't got no lead hammer or the tool.
People don't understand, dog. I do wheels and I be scared. Yo ass rolling around ain't got nothing to check no air with, ain't got no hammer. You in the lowrider ain't got none of that shit? Okay. But I was like, I want to be in that shit, fool. I already feel the shit, right? Yeah,
Did you?
yeah. Nah, fool, you good, dog. You ain't gonna be on there, fool. I'll blame. Now, this one I went ahead and clamped it on the inside, just so I wouldn't have to pop it over again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay.
Because I saw it had plastic too. Like I wouldn't mount it like this, but I would put air to hold it there. I was like, let me get out the way, fool. So I'm in the shoes. You know who stopped? Homeboy. He told Christian too. What the fuck you doing way out here?
Who?
Damn. So I suck with names. You know I suck with names. Homeboy with the records in the Lincoln, the white Lincoln.
Oh.
He cool.
Got it.
Yeah. He saw. He was passing by. It looked like he wanted to stop, but he saw a homie. He's like, "What the fuck you doing over here?"
Yeah, he passed by Saturday too. He swung a little bit.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Did he get up or nah?
I didn't hear. I heard it.
Oh, you didn't see it.
I was in here working. I looked at him.
All right, y'all. This is the one that had the little ding. We done repair. Man, we a wheel repair shop now, Al. I bet y'all can't even tell where that hoe's dented at. Point out where it's dented. Boy, and then I really think it was from shipping, to be honest with you. But regardless, we got that bitch right. All right, we done, baby. First set done. Hopefully more sets to come. Let us know. Y'all come through, baby.